Sun Girl makeup is the quintessential summer makeup to make you look sun-kissed, bronzed, blushy, dewy. It's the perfect look for any summer night out or any regular beach day. So let's get into this look together. First, I'm going with the dewy serum. This one's the hyaluronic acid serum from Facial. After this, we have to, of course, go in with an SPF. So I'm gonna go in with the Fruitia Air Set Blueberry Sunscreen. This one's great because it leaves no white cast and it makes your skin look super glowy and dewy. I'm gonna go in with some bronzing drops. This one from Naked Sundays. It's their Cabana Glow Mineral Glow Serum Drops. And I'm just gonna blend that into my skin to give me glowiness, and it also has SPF 50 to bring this down to my neck and my chest as well. Now that we're dewy and protected, I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I'm gonna go with the Kofi Beauty Concealer in Rose Rush, and I'm mainly just gonna focus it on my under eye area and anywhere else where I have any imperfections and redness. Take a beauty blender and blend this out. Now I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna use the new Morphe Cheek Palettes in the shade Cabana Club. I'm gonna take this top color here and we're gonna use it just kinda to give myself the appearance that I'm sunburnt. And then I like to go in with my beauty blender and just kind of blend everything out to make everything look a little bit more seamless and a little less striking. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of bronzer. This is the Catrice Melted Bronzer. I love this one. It's inexpensive, $7, and it works fantastic. Then I'm gonna go with the second blush. I'm gonna go with the Rhode Pocket Blush in the shade Toasted Teddy, just to add a little bit more warmth and like burntness to my skin. I'm gonna go in with some powder so I can set some areas of my face. This is the Kosas Cloud Set powder. My Makeup by Mario brush, and just focus this really on my under eyes and my forehead. Diminish the shine in certain places of my face so I don't look greasy. Get Morphe Blush that has a little bit of a shimmer, and we're gonna focus this on the apples of the cheeks. I'm gonna go with the classic, which is the Benefit Hoola Bronzer, and I'm gonna use this to set my bronzer. When I do my bronzer, I like to focus it on my forehead and my cheeks and my jawline, just anywhere where the sun would hit, and I also like putting some on my nose as well. With some powder blush from the same palette and go right over where I put all my cream blush products. Now this is optional, but some fake freckles I think look super cute with this look, so I'm going to focus it right on the nose bridge area. And I'm just using my Urban Decay brow blade for this. You do not need a freckle pen to get really cute freckles. A brow pencil is just as good. I like to just take my finger and blend that out so it looks a bit more natural. To add a little bit even more glowiness, I'm gonna go with the Rare Beauty highlighter right on my finger and focus it on the nose and just a little bit on the cheeks. I don't want too much. And I'm also gonna put this on my eyelid as well. Brows, I'm just going to use the Glossier Boy Brow and just run it through my eyebrows, not fill it in or anything. I want to keep it very natural. Next step, we're going to keep going with the eyes. I'm going to take the Benefit Hoola Bronzer with the fluffy brush and just place this right in my crease. Waterproof mascara, and this one is the Kelly Ray Hell or High Water Tubing Mascara. I go with this Adim Melt Me Water Space Mist just to give myself a little bit of a setting and give my face some hydration again. For lips, I'm going to go in with the Benefit Benetint. A little bit of this and put this on my face as well, and this is going to stay longer than any of the other products you have on your face. Then I'm gonna go in with a clear gloss by Naked Sundays. This one has SPF 50. SPF on your lips is so vital. Do not leave it out of your routine when you go to the beach. little bit of a finishing touch, I'm just gonna go back in with that Kosas powder and reset my under eyes and make sure that that's not gonna budge. Top it off with the Milk Makeup Hydro Setting Spray. This is my final Island Girl makeup look. It's so stunning, so dewy, and with the products we use, it should last you longer than most dewy looks. So if you like my videos, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing videos every single week, so stay tuned for the next one and comment down below any niche looks you want to do. I'm in between doing a downtown girl makeup look or a iconic like 90s Latina look. So let me know which one you guys want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!